Let me ask you something. What if I told you that a young man who failed his MBA entrance exam started selling tea on the street and today built a brand worth more than 30 crore? Yes, a simple chai stall became a national business brand. But here's the interesting part. He didn't start with a big investment. He didn't have investors. He didn't even have a perfect business plan. What he had was a simple idea and the courage to start. And in this video, we are going to break down how this business started, how it grew into a brand, and what lessons entrepreneurs can learn from it. But stay till the end, because later in this video, I will show you a simple chai startup blueprint that anyone can start today. This story begins with Praful Bilore, a young man from Indore, India. Like many students in India, he had a dream. He wanted to study at one of the most prestigious institutes in the country. His goal was clear: crack the IIM MBA entrance exam. He prepared for the exam for years, but unfortunately he could not clear it. Not once, but multiple times. For many people, this moment would feel like the end of their career dream. But sometimes failure forces us to discover a completely different path. And that's exactly what happened here. Failed MBA dream leads to an unexpected business journey. After failing the MBA entrance exam, Praful decided to step out of his comfort zone. He started working at McDonald's. Now this might seem like a small job, but it became one of the most important learning experiences of his life. At McDonald's, he observed something interesting. He noticed how big brands operate. He learned about customer service, brand consistency, product standardization, and customer experience. These lessons became extremely valuable because later he used the same principles in a completely different business. But the decision he made next shocked everyone. An MBA aspirant starting a chai stall. Instead of preparing for another MBA attempt, Praful Bilore decided to start a tea stall. Yes, a simple chai stall. Initial investment was very small, around 8,000 to 10,000. But he didn't run the stall like every other chai seller. He introduced something powerful: brand identity. He named his stall MBA Chaiwala. Now this name created curiosity immediately. People started asking questions. Why MBA Chaiwala? What does MBA mean here? That curiosity attracted customers, and curiosity is one of the most powerful forms of marketing. Praful understood something very important. He wasn't just selling tea. He was creating an experience. He interacted with customers. He talked to them about their dreams. He shared his own journey. He even spoke English at the chai stall, which surprised many people. Customers found this different and interesting. Soon people began sharing their experience on social media. Slowly, the tea stall became popular, and this popularity helped the brand grow organically. As the brand gained attention, Praful started improving the business. He focused on better stall design, strong branding, storytelling, marketing, and customer engagement. Later, he expanded the business through franchise outlets. Now MBA Chaiwala operates in multiple cities, and the brand has grown far beyond a simple tea stall. It now includes cafe-style outlets, merchandise, motivational talks, and social media presence. What started as a 1,000 rupee tea stall eventually grew into a multi-crore brand. There are some powerful lessons entrepreneurs can learn from this story. Lesson 1: start small. You don't need huge capital to start a business. Even a small setup can grow into something big. Lesson 2: branding matters. A simple product can become a powerful brand if presented well. Lesson 3: storytelling sells. People connect with stories more than products, and when customers feel connected, they support the brand. Now, we've reached the most important part of this video, because many of you watching right now might be thinking, this story is inspiring, but can I really start a business like this? And here's something interesting. MBA Chaiwala didn't start with crores. He didn't start with investors. He didn't even start with a big cafe. He started with a very simple chai stall, and that small idea slowly turned into a massive national brand. So in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you a 6-step chai startup blueprint that almost any beginner can start. But stay focused, because step 3 is the step that turns a normal chai stall into a brand. Step 1: minimum investment. The biggest advantage of a chai business is that you don't need huge capital. You can start a basic tea stall with approximately 15,000 to 50,000. This small investment usually covers a small roadside stall or tea cart kettle and gas stove utensils and basic equipment. Tea leaves, milk, sugar and spices, disposable cups or kulhad cups, and a simple signboard. With this setup, you can start selling chai the same day. Many successful brands started with very small setups. Step 2. Location strategy. In street food businesses, location decides success. Even the best chai will struggle to sell if it's in the wrong place. The best locations are where people naturally gather. Near colleges, coaching institutes, office complexes, bus stands, railway stations, and busy marketplaces. More footfall means more customers, and more customers mean higher sales. This next step is what turns a chai stall into a brand. Step 3. Unique concept. Most chai stalls look the same. If you want to succeed, you need a concept that people remember. You can create a theme-based chai stall, like Kulhad Chai Cafe Startup, Chai Point Night Owl Tea Stall, or Student at a Chai Cafe. Now your stall becomes more than just tea. It becomes a hangout place, and when people remember your concept, they bring their friends. Step 4. Simple but attractive menu. Keep your menu simple but interesting. Regular chai, masala chai, ginger chai, chocolate chai, elaichi chai, with small snacks like biscuits or samosas. The most important thing is taste consistency. If customers love your chai once, they will come back again. Step 5. Branding and social media. Even a small stall can become famous online. Focus on attractive stall design, a memorable name, creating an Instagram page, interacting with customers, and encouraging photos and reels. One viral reel can bring hundreds of customers. Step 6. Revenue potential. Imagine your stall serves 200 customers per day and the average price is 20 rupees. Your daily revenue becomes 4,000. Monthly, it can reach around 120,000. After costs, you can still earn good profit, and once your stall becomes popular, you can expand into multiple stalls, chai cafes, or franchise outlets. This is how brands like MBA Chaiwala grow. Many people are already building multi-city chai brands using this model. Would you start a chai business like this? Comment below yes or no. I read every comment. And if you want a free PDF guide explaining how to start these businesses step by step like this video, subscribe to Lakh channel and comment yes or no. And don't forget to join our Telegram channel, Lakh for more business insights. Link is in the description. This is Vishal Arya, and I will see you in the next video with more powerful startup ideas.
This is just the beginning. Join me now and build your business journey with Lakh.